The Thermo DXR3 SmartRaman Plus Spectrometer is a highly automated benchtop system that brings the power of Raman technology to pharmaceutical manufacturing quality control, advanced research, and routine analysis applications. Designed to meet the needs of busy industrial and pharmaceutical labs, including R&D and quality control functions. The SmartRaman Plus Spectrometer's auto sampler accessory accommodates a variety of vials and sample containers. The user-replaceable 532 and 785 nanometer excitation lasers allow for Raman measurements of a wide variety of samples and help optimize Raman signal by suppressing fluorescence. Take advantage of the rapid, non-destructive sample measurement offered by Raman spectroscopy without becoming an expert in the technology. With minimal preparation, you can analyze samples during the fill and finish step of at-line testing. Your solution for efficient and reliable pharmaceutical manufacturing quality testing awaits. Trusted by experts, intuitive for everyone.